Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas app with good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to this application of Tapas and you will enter. Here we go to this window of Tapas and we click. Then we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.